So today is the first day of the conference, and I have a CRNA, certified registered nurse anesthetist background. So a lot of the things that Dr. Mulholland is discussing with the monopolar and the bipolar for the radio frequency really resonates with me, and I find it really fascinating the way this technology has been utilized to do these treatments. I think it's just, it's great, and it incorporates things that I'm already familiar with, and so it really speaks to me.
Hello, how's it going? I'm Dr. Henry Ramirez, board certified OBGYN, here at another InMode conference speaking about what I speak about the best, which is pelvic floor function and women's wellness. With InMode, it's been an amazing journey. What we've had the ability of doing is basically taking all kinds of different technology, putting it in one box, and we call it Empower. The reason we call it Empower is that we finally have a way of empowering women to get back to themselves and improve their quality of life without always having to take them to surgery. One of the things that we always get to hear here in these InMode conferences is from a lot of different specialties and how things are being done, and the excitement to be able to get back to our clinics and provide the type of therapies with the technologies that are up to date and safe that help all of our patients. So if you guys are really on that line, wondering if you should come to an InMode conference, absolutely. It's the best technology in the world at this point.
So this is the last day of the program, and today he talked about all kinds of marketing pearls. He also did injectables and how to do combination programs with neurotoxins, with dermal fillers, as well as maybe PDO threads. But all these marketing pearls this is something that I'm going to incorporate in my practice. So it was extremely valuable, and I got a lot out of it.